Hi, I'm Jeremy with Lighthouse Contracting Group. We specialize in renovating lakefront homes. Today we're here at LCG 100. I'm here with Cody, the lead carpenter for this project. So Cody, why don't you tell me about what's happened here the last month?
Lots of visual progress here in the last month. All the wallboard and paneling is installed and painted and stained and finished. All of the kitchen cabinetry and bar cabinetry has been installed. And we just wrapped up all of our flooring installation.
Yeah, it's looking really good in there so far. Clients are pretty excited. What's their feedback been so far?
The clients, we've kind of had to push them out of their home for this project, so they're not present on site, but we're using our construction management software, CoConstruct, and the daily job logs have been huge. He's going in there every day and like looking at the photos every day of the progress has been awesome for her. So they're loving the CoConstruct.
They're excited to get back in, that's for sure. It's been a couple months. I'm sure they're really excited to move back into their home as the weather starts to break here in the Lakes region.
One of our team highlights over here was getting the flooring around this fireplace. So we actually took a 7-inch grinder, set up a dust wall canopy all around this, set our air scrubbers, air blowers, and took the grinder and undercut the fireplace just like you would kind of like a door jamb when you're sliding flooring in underneath. And what it was left us with is that little channel. We were able to scribe and tuck our flooring in underneath the fireplace, and it left us with that really, really clean finish.
So as we discussed earlier, this whole space here got closed cell spray foam, which makes it really tight. And now we have this, the range hood here that will draw up to 600 cubic feet of air per minute out of this space. So we need to provide some makeup air in order to allow all this air to be exhausted and not draw in sewer gases or open flame source gases, things like that. So there's a lead wire here that'll go back to a mechanical damper in the utility room that'll basically open up a damper to allow air in. When this range hood gets turned on, it'll send a signal. So it'll allow the makeup air to come in to this space as we exhaust out the bad air. Also, Cody and team have been working really hard on this range hood application, which, this will be a range hood liner that'll fit up in here. And there's a mantle, nice wooden mantle, reclaimed mantle with some brackets that'll sit here. This is gonna look really sharp and took a lot of effort to pull this off, and it's gonna be well worth it. It'll be a statement piece for sure. So as I said, the clients are really excited to move back in. We have about 3 weeks left here to anticipated finish. So we had a little bit of a setback on the countertop. The sink piece had broke during installation, so they're refabricating that. Once that goes in, then we can start on the tile backsplash. So there's going to be a nice feature tile in this range section. They will bring these some posts down from the beam to the countertop, and that'll break up the subway tile from the accent pattern tile. We got a nice beverage fridge going in over here under counter, and windows are supposed to come tomorrow. We're really excited for that delivery. Some of the logistical challenges here are the 5-month lead times on windows, so those are supposed to come tomorrow, which we'll get those in. And then the sills for the windows can get templated. Those are going to be a stone quartz product on the sill, and the tile will go up around them. Those windows were really figured for very meticulously, so they sat there niched on either side of the cabinetry, balanced, and fit just right. Also balanced from the exterior well, which is important because that's the driveway side of the home. So other than that, over the next few weeks, it's bringing together all of the electrical, plumbing, all the finishes, getting the appliances delivered. They'll be lifting the posted roads here in the next week or so, which is a big milestone, so we can actually get the bigger trucks down here to finish up what we need to finish up and get the clients back in here, moved into their home.
Thanks for watching our video. Make sure you like and subscribe to be a part of our future videos here. We got one more video to wrap this project up.